There are various social media tools available for major networks like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and etc. To assist you through all the tools essential for social media management of your brand, here is a list of recommended tools. Having edit flow in your collection helps you manage your team effectively. You can take snapshots of your monthly content with the calendar feature. It boasts new and improved content status beyond WordPress default template, and groups can help their writers organize by department or function. Business owners with websites who use multiple authors for their content should give edit flow a try. It truly makes management easier and documented. This website enables you to create a one-page website with minimal effort because it is so easy. You don't have to hire web designers and web developers who cost an arm and a leg hourly. Take a look at checklist.com for your purposeful website needs. One of the most useful tools for social media managers is Buffer app. It works by scheduling your content and post it on your Twitter or Facebook stream at regular intervals to prevent flooding. This is incredibly handy because no one wants an account that floods his or her news stream. Hootsuite is used to manage social media content for Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and WordPress profiles. It helps you to schedule messages, keep track of all the streams, and measure your performance. Crowdbooster does wonders to manage social media activities on Facebook and Twitter. Not only does it auto-post content on both sides, it also tracks new fans and followers, provides statistics on how many times my status has been shared or retweeted. It shows who the most responsive fans are. Sometimes, social media managers forget to answer posts because of the volume of messages they receive in a day. Crowdbooster reminds you to respond in a timely manner. Lastly, perhaps the most useful feature of Crowdbooster is the ability to recommend the best time to post based on people engaged and number of shares and tweets. Another tool that helps schedule tweets to be published is 𝐭'𝐬. No one wants a one person or account to flood the newsfeed. 𝐭'𝐬 schedules your content to post at regular intervals. If you choose to, you can assign other individuals to help manage your Twitter account using this tool. Evernote is a cloud-based file sharing app that is fast and reliable. With this app, you can create templates for future blog articles and save it to your iOS devices. It helps you create relevant elements within your blog articles to organize your writing like the subject, message, titles, examples, rationale, keywords, links, perspectives, and so on. For people who like to organize the various components of blog entries into a logical sequence, this app is for you. Overall, Evernote makes it so much easier to brainstorm when you are on the go because you can create a section of the article at a time. Your posts are synced to your computer and iOS devices so that you can continue working even if you switch devices or while on the go. All components of your article like the title, keywords, messages are stored in Evernote. HubSpot is an all-in-one tool for businesses that are looking to generate more traffic, leads, and sales by making their online presence known. As a testament to this tool's potential, Google Ventures and Salesforce.com invested more than $30 million in HubSpot because of its continued astounding growth in only a few short years. This tool features a variety of components such as a super simple content management system that enables non-techies to build and design their own site, a blogging platform, lead nurturing tools, lead tracking tools, keyword and SEO tools, landing page creation, and many other features. Its usefulness lies in its simple system such that newbies and novices can learn to use it as well as provide resources to train its users. For blog users, the Discuss Comment plugin is one of the must-haves to generating multiple opinions from readers. You can comment with your OpenID, Twitter, Yahoo, Google, or Discuss account. Seeing as a blog is central to social media marketing, this helps encourage traffic from readers by letting them participate in the discussions without having an account with your blog host. With the comments enabled, this could increase the viral potential of your blog post because comments are shared across networks such as Facebook and Twitter. Their comments track back to your site so that other people can join in on the conversation. The SEO benefits are huge as well. SEO is boosted when engagement and commenting take place. Discuss helps a discussion longer because reader can like or dislike comments for more of an interaction. Discuss also let you what members of your community are saying on other blogs. If you want to form real relationships with your readers, Discuss is for you. It will help you expand your blog community. Disqus encourages the community to share by interacting with them even outside your blog network. Networking is key because this is what strengthens your bond with your readers and commenters. Social bakers offer paid Facebook statistics, as well as free statistics for Facebook and LinkedIn. It is a relatively inexpensive way of keeping track of where you are and how many comments on your post. Social Searcher helps you search what is currently being shared on social media. It is free, reliable, and has a real-time search engine for Twitter and Facebook searches. It is also very easy to use and straightforward. Cloud also measures awareness on Facebook and Twitter by graphing your score results. It is another easy, simple, easy to use tool for social media managers. Google Analytics measures results in improving loyalty as a social media goal. It is marked as one of the favorites of social media marketers. On Twitter, it is not so much the number but the people you follow or who follows you. Refollow makes sure they continue to follow but notifying you if anyone unfollows you or follows you. It allows you to log in to valuable followers you have connected with. Another feature of Refollow is a filtering search on Twitter for uncovering insights such as the things you have in common with followers. If you help connect with followers the user has had no interaction with, a simple message to that follower can build a great business relationship. For social media managers looking for a decent list of like-minded people, Refollow is a helpful tool. It focuses on quality over quantity. One way to find people who are influential in your community is to use Tracker. It allows you to pinpoint who in your industry has influence on your business and clients. It shows how social media leaders are contributing to your content. Tracker's unique intelligence helps you build engagement strategies and see the results of those campaigns. This web-based tool helps you to understand people and interact with them and their bearing on your campaign. The competitive influence features let you narrow your search into keywords so you can see who is or is not influential in your space. This tool can help you build a name for your brand and help you increase sales.